to my channel. I am Allie D, coming to you live once again with another video. I am so thrilled to be able to show you guys this. I have looked back at my previous collard green video and I wasn't very impressed. And so I decided to actually do another one. So this one will include some turkey legs within it. And I am so thrilled because I will be showing you from start to finish, from cleaning to adding the turkey leg to how long to let it sit to what I add into it so that you can have some bomb ass collard greens. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I am so thrilled. And before we do, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you guys come back for more videos. Well, first we're gonna start off by cleaning our sink. Today I'm gonna dish soap as well as the multi-surface spray. Once we're done cleaning the sink, we're gonna go ahead and add our collard greens and start the washing process. So it is very important to make sure that you wash your greens thoroughly to ensure that all dirt and or bugs have been washed off. And once you've finished washing your greens, we're gonna break them up. So you're going to rip it kind of like a piece of paper. And I don't really like the stem too much, so I'm just going to be breaking the leaves off the stem. Once we finish cleaning our greens, we're gonna go ahead and add 5 cups of water, followed by adding that pot of greens to the stove so we can start cooking on medium-high. So guys, as promised, I am going to be adding my turkey legs now. And these are the smoked turkey legs. I got them from Food Line. You can get them from pretty much any grocery store. And as the greens are cooking, the turkey leg will cook along with it. So now it's time to season. So for this dish, I'm going to be adding some onion powder, garlic powder, some white vinegar, followed by 2 chicken bouillon cubes. And after about 30 minutes, I'm going to take my turkey leg out and I am going to start chopping the meat off the bone. I didn't have time to wait for it to fall off, so I decided to just go ahead and take it out and speed up the process. You're gonna go ahead and taste. My recommendation, guys, is to always taste your food. You never want your food to be too bland. You never want it to be too salty. So the best way to tell is by tasting your own food. So I'm also gonna add Season All. I decided it needed a little bit extra salt, followed by a ½ teaspoon sugar, and so guys, after seasoning our collard greens, we're just gonna let that sit and cook on low medium for 45 minutes until our collard greens are a nice soft texture and ready to plate. And there you guys go. This is my completed collard greens recipe, and oh my goodness, guys, This turned out so good, and I realized shortly after that I should have made a lot more than I did. My friends destroyed this dish, and I guess I can say it was a success. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys come back for more videos every week, and also like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.